What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna give you one simple habit you can develop every day that is gonna change your life for the better. So if you're ready, let's get into it.
Nerf this!
If you're new here, my name is Sean. I make videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you got the bell notified so you won't miss a thing. In each and every video, I do try to make you the best version of you. So in today's video, I want to talk about writing down what you're grateful for. That is one of the most powerful things that you can do each and every day, and I want to provide a tool to you that you can use in order to do that. And the thing that I've been using and that I have used for over a year now is called the 5-minute journal. Now this is just a little small simple tool that you can use to write down everything that you're grateful for as you start each day, and I'm going to go into the reasoning of why that's so important to do first thing in the morning. So let me paint a little picture for you guys. You wake up, you roll over, you're kind of groggy. What's the first thing you do? You pick up this little book and you read the positive affirmation that they have written right at the top for you. And you start listing 3 things that you're grateful for and 3 things that'll make the day amazing. What is a better way to start the day than that? To have some positivity, to have some creativity flowing as you're writing down what would make today an amazing day. And let me just show you what's inside the 5-minute journal. Basically, you write the date of the day you're filling it out, followed by either a positive affirmation or some sort of motivational quote or inspiration, or even sometimes a challenge. They do weekly challenges periodically. For example, the one I'm showing you right now is give a high five to a stranger today. And then you write down 3 things that you're grateful for at least, and then 3 things that would make today great. And then you write down your own positive affirmations. And later on that evening, to end your day, you'll write down 3 amazing things that happened today, and then 1 thing that could have made the day even better. And that doesn't necessarily have to be something negative. It's definitely something positive. Like, let's say you play on a basketball team, and let's say you scored 10 points, and then the only thing that would have been better, like if you went off of like 81 like a Kobe or something. It's definitely an awesome way to start and end your day with doing something positive and fulfilling in the morning, and then doing the same at night. And guys, this is just one of the tools that I use. You don't have to use the 5-minute journal. You can use anything you want. If you want to write it down on a yellow piece of paper like I have done, that's absolutely fine. It's totally up to you. This is just one way to keep track of it, keep the dates, see where you were, track your progress. So I really like this tool. And guys, if you do want it, I will link it in the description. I'll make it the first link down there. So if you want to check it out, by all means, please do so. But it's so powerful to use this tool, or to at least write down what you're grateful for, what your daily affirmations were first thing in the morning, because it essentially starts the day off on the right foot, and it'll only compound from there. You start your day off good, another good thing happens, you're crushing your goals, things go in the right direction. So definitely want to start off on the right foot with some positivity and some motivation first thing in the morning. Another big reason why this is so important, because guys, there's so many things in life that are out of your control, that are beyond your control, that you can only simply respond to. One of the things you can't control is what you put into your mind, what you put out into the universe. If you're putting out positive things will come back to you. So definitely want to start your day out that way. And again, with that being one of the only things you can control in this world, definitely take advantage of it. The other thing you can control is your attitude. And it's so hard to have a piss poor attitude, or be upset, or be frustrated when you're writing down things that get you excited, things that you're grateful for. Like, I know me personally, when I write down things that I'm grateful for, there is not a chance that I will be mad or frustrated or upset. In fact, I even do that when I'm feeling this way to simply correct it. So with your attitude being, again, one of the only things you can control in this world, take control of it. Use it to your advantage. So why is writing down your goals, positive affirmations, and things you're grateful for so important? Because there's a cycle, and it works like this. What you think about comes about. So your thoughts become your feelings become a vibration. They basically make you want to move. Like, have you ever seen a movie and a real exciting part comes and you're on the edge of your seat? It's because what you're seeing is creating a thought, which is creating a feeling, which is creating a vibration to make you be excited and want to move and jump and like, ooh, oh, the killer's right behind you, run! to do like one of those moves. You know what I mean? Like me right now, I'm talking about what I'm passionate about, and you can literally feel the energy come through the camera, I hope. So your thoughts become your feelings create a vibration that makes you want to act. So your feelings essentially become your actions, and your actions are what drive your results. With your action being results, obviously you want to take consistent action and get the same results that you're happy with. So doing this every single day is self-explanatory, guys. If this is what's driving your actions and driving you towards what you need to do in order to get where you want to be, then you do need to do it daily. So I hope all that makes sense to you guys, but just to summarize, use the 5-minute journal as a tool or a pen and paper. Write down things you're grateful for every morning. Write down positive affirmations like, I am powerful, I am strong, I am unstoppable, I am the best at what I do. Write down your goals for the day, do at least 3 things, and use the 5-minute journal to your advantage, because it's one of the things you can control. You can control what you put into your mind, you can control your attitude. What you put into your mind basically creates your results. What you think about comes about. Thoughts become feelings, feelings become actions, actions become your results. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you do go check out the 5-minute journal, or at least make doing this a part of your morning routine, because it is by far one of the things that has changed my life for the better. I want to see you succeed. I know you want to see you succeed, so do it up. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sean. I'm trying to make you the best version of you. I will catch you next time. Signing off.